interest without any company or any other organization. My lecture will be about periodontal exposure surgery of impacted teeth for orthodontic purpose. In my practice, I work with a lot of orthodontists, or in Paris or in the suburb of Paris. And as you can see on this slide, during the last 10 years, from January 2010 to December 2020, I have exposed 1,142 impacted teeth. More or less, the upper canine are about 74%, and after it is central upper incisors, then the lower canine, and finally the lower second premolar. I don't put in this slide the supernumerary teeth, odontoma, and wisdom teeth. So just some numbers, just to precise the maxillary canine. As you can see, 772 maxillary canine. The mean age is 15 years and 3 months. 67% are on buccal aspect and 32% are on palatal aspect. 60% of those canine are in female patient, and 40 of those canine are in male patient. At the